Welcome to Sheffield, the home of Spear & Jackson. Alexander Spear and John Love founded the company in Sheffield in 1760. Over the past 2.5 centuries, Spear & Jackson has remained true to its motto of quality and performance.
Hi Scott.
Sure.
Why do you think Spear & Jackson continues to be one of the best known brands in the gardening world for over 260 years?
I think it's because we're a heritage UK brand. We're leading in the garden industry. We provide high quality end tools to the end users, and we have done for the last 260 years.
People still like the traditional patterns. They like a wooden handle, and they like our digging and cultivating tools to be familiar. And so it's very important that we keep those traditional, familiar patterns and designs, while at the same time we look at things like ergonomics and making the handles comfortable to use, and on things like cutting tools, mechanical advantage, so making things easier to make the cut is critically important as well for our customers.
This is the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And the tool in my hand is from Spear & Jackson, a brand with deep roots in Kew. Hi Tom, it's great to have you here with us today. Could you tell us a little bit about Kew Gardens and what makes it such a special place?
It's a global conservation organisation, and its main goals are to strive towards a thriving planet.
So what is it about Spear & Jackson that makes them an ideal partner?
All their products that are branded in Kew's name have been tested by horticulturalists here, so we know they're of the utmost quality and that they will last the test of time.
These tools are going to be ideal for amateur gardeners, aren't they?
I mean, the Spear & Jackson range is really perfect for the amateur gardener to use in their garden and green space at home.
Our tools have developed a reputation as being tools to trust. They're known for their quality and their longevity. This is a perfect opportunity to demonstrate the benefits of gardening, to inspire people with some of the beautiful scenery and plant life that you can see here at Kew, and to hopefully inspire them to buy some tools and get gardening.
In today's fast-paced world, gardening offers us a reason to slow down. Every pruning and every planting action is an opportunity for deep connection with nature. This is what we call mindful gardening, not just caring for plants, but also tending to our hearts. Hi Dan, I know you've been busy helping customers choose new tools from the Spear & Jackson collection. What is it that makes it so popular?
Well, they're made from great quality materials. There's a nice weight to them. The wooden handle is nice and curved and it's comfortable to hold. And the wood is actually sustainably sourced from managed forests, so our customers love that. Whether you've got a small flower pot on the balcony or in a small indoor space, they tell us that using these tools makes gardening more enjoyable.
260 years of heritage is not only the accumulation of time, but also a commitment to quality and a responsibility for the future.
Spear & Jackson is committed to providing every gardening enthusiast with the most suitable tools, the best experience, and the most wonderful gardening time.